Spider silk is 5 times stronger than steel at the same thickness. Imagine the possibilities for materials science. This natural marvel, spun effortlessly by spiders, holds the key to revolutionary advancements through biomimicry. Scientists are unraveling its secrets, exploring how this lightweight yet super strong fiber can inspire new materials that could transform industries from aerospace to medicine. Picture construction beams as light as a feather yet stronger than anything we use today, or surgical sutures that are both flexible and unbelievably durable. The future of engineering might just be woven from the web of these 8-legged arachnids, showing us that nature often holds the solutions to our most complex challenges. As researchers dive deeper into the mysteries of spider silk, we're on the brink of a materials revolution that could reshape the world as we know it. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of what nature's silk and threads can teach us.